We are proud to present this excellent 2007 Chevrolet TrailBlazer. This TrailBlazer has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. This vehicle has a red dual Tintcoat exterior and includes the following options: auto tone control, Bose premium audio speaker system feature, digital clock, power tilt sliding sunroof with express open, radio data system, RDS, sound and entertainment package, includes radio, AM/FM stereo with 6-disc CDCH-NGRXM satellite, speed compensated volume, diff lock and 6 speakers. Contact our internet sales staff today to schedule an appointment.